the Bayless automatic vent openers, I like to put the bracket on the bottom first and then get that centered and put up here because it will hold itself up, as you can see now. And then we get the upper part lined up. And we can pre-drill those holes. And then we can get them screwed in. And it's handy to have a long bit like this or to use a long screwdriver because you got to reach around the machine itself. You just go right into your pre-drilled hole there. It's up, and we'll connect the adjusting knob and it will open and close. Okay, now that we have the vent opener mounted, we put on the adjusting screw here. You can see, sometimes it's a little hard to get started, and it's about 65 degrees here, so I'm going to adjust it so it's just barely open. That's a good place to start, and then you have to adjust it depending on your plant's needs at a later time.